Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. As you know that the winter holidays have started, I have not posted a video for a long time. So I thought let's start a series of videos based on the Python programming from beginning to advanced. So in this video, I'm gonna start with the basic concept because nowadays everyone wants to learn programming language. So first of all, you must know that what is programming, what is program, and what is programmer. Okay, so let's begin the video. I just show you. So let's start with that. Just give me a moment. So firstly, I have already prepared a notes for you so that the videos I can complete the video within a time. Okay. So first of all, the first is program. Set of instructions is called a program. Okay. So we know that computer cannot do anything without your instructions. Each and everywhere it needs instruction, it cannot perform anything. Okay, means if generally we can say the computer's own IQ level is zero. Okay, so each and every steps they need instructions. Okay, so let's start. So I have read this line that program, है ना? Set of instruction is called a program. Uh, I'm just giving you the example so that it can clear to you. Okay, let's say we are going to celebrate a school annual day. Okay, annual day because we are going to celebrate, and this is an event. Basically, school annual day is an event which we are going to celebrate. Okay, now you see that whenever you celebrate the school annual day, there is a lot of activities or the protocols which you have to follow. Okay, let's say the program will begin with the blessings of Almighty. Then the next there will be the lightning of the lamp. Then there will be a Kathak dance. Then there will be a play. Then there will be a Gujarati dance. Then there will be a cultural dance, and it will completed with the national anthem. है ना? So we can say that school annual day. This is a program. Okay, school annual day. This is a program which we are going to celebrate, and these points are the instructions which will complete this program. ओके, तो कहने का मतलब क्या है कि प्रोग्राम क्या है? सेट ऑफ इंस्ट्रक्शंस है. तो हम क्या कर रहे हैं, व्हाट वी आर एग्जैक्टली डूइंग, कि हम क्या कर रहे हैं, हम सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं स्कूल एनुअल डे को. ओके, तो नाउ इन दिस द इंस्ट्रक्शनल पार्ट, ये इंस्ट्रक्शन है जो इस प्रोग्राम को कंप्लीट करेंगी. ओके, तो सेम वे as we know that कि in computer whenever we are performing any action or doing something, each and every way it needs instructions. That instruction is always written in the programming language. Okay, it can be the uh, C++, Java, Python, or any other programming language. So I hope program is clear to you. Now come to the second one, that is programming. Okay, I'm going to read this line for you. Can I to convert high level language into the low level language is called programming. To convert high level language into the low level language is called a प्रोग्रामिंग. कहने का मतलब क्या है? देखो, मैं आपको बता दूं कि जब भी आप कोई कोडिंग करोगे, वेन एवर यू आर राइटिंग अ प्रोग्राम, यू नीड द इंस्ट्रक्शंस, है ना? यू नीड द इंस्ट्रक्शंस. दैट इंस्ट्रक्शंस वी विल राइट इन द हाई लेवल प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज और हाई लेवल लैंग्वेज. All the programming language, either it's a C or C++, Java, Python, or any other programming language, they all known as a high level programming language. ये लैंग्वेज हम यूज करते हैं कंप्यूटर में कोडिंग करने के लिए, इंस्ट्रक्शन देने के लिए, so that we can perform anything, है ना? Or we can do a program, or we can make a program. Okay, I just give you the example so that it can more clear to you. Let's say फर्स्टली मैंने आपको बताया कि टू कन्वर्ट द हाई लेवल लैंग्वेज इनटू द लो लेवल लैंग्वेज इज कॉल्ड अ प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज. ओके, टू मेक you clear, I just give you the example. Let's say there are two person. I am writing here in front of you. There are two person, person A and person B. Okay, person A knows French language and person B knows, let's say, Hindi language. So my question is, can they communicate to each other? because many of them will say no, they cannot communicate to each other. Let's say now I'm going to change the question. Let's say I'm saying, is there any way so that they can communicate? Some of them will say yes, they can communicate with the help of a translator. Let's say we are arranging a person C in between as a translator, okay, who knows both the language and they can help them to communicate. सेम वे अब हम बात करते हैं हाई लेवल लैंग्वेज की. एज आई सेड, एनी प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज ईदर सपोज पाइथन, जावा, सी प्लस प्लस, ओके, द कोडिंग पार्ट दैट इज डन इन द हाई लेवल लैंग्वेज, प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज, वो आप किसी में भी कर सकते हो. अब लो लेवल लैंग्वेज क्या है, यहां पे मैंने लिखा है टू कन्वर्ट द हाई लेवल लैंग्वेज इनटू द लो लेवल लैंग्वेज. मैंने आपको एग्जांपल दिया कि पर्सन ए है एंड दे वांट टू कम्युनिकेट टू द पर्सन बी and C is a translator between, so that means they are communicating with the help of person C. अब low level language, it is a language which computer understands in the form of binary 1 and 0. आप सबको पता है कि कंप्यूटर एक ही लैंग्वेज समझता है which is a binary. Apart from that, computer don't understand any other language. Okay, so same way अब आप बोलोगे कि sir you have written the instruction in high level language, and how it will be converted to the low level language, because it is because the computer understand only the low level language. As we have arranged a translator in between these two, same way we will have a translator software whenever we are installing a programming language. With that we have a translator software. It can be the interpreter, it can be the compiler. जैसे ये पर्सन सी ट्रांसलेट कर रहा है पर्सन ए और बी को, सेम वे वी हैव अ ट्रांसलेटर called interpreter and compiler, which will convert your high level language into the low level language, so that whatever the coding you have done, they interpret that coding and they will give you the desired output as you want. Okay, so this is called programming. Okay, so now let's come to the third one, that is called programmer. A person who do programming is called programmer. Okay, कोई भी person XYZ, चाहे आप हो, whether it's me also or any other person who do the programming, actually it is known as a programmer. So I hope these three concept is clear to you. First is program. Set of instruction is called a program. Second is to convert a high level language into the low level language is called programming. Third is now programmer. A person who do the programming is called programmer. Sorry, programmer. Okay. So as we know that in market there are many languages, uh, either as a C, C++, Java, and many more also. Many of the popular languages are available. But nowadays one of the popular language is called Python programming. So my question is to you, or I think everyone wants the answer also, ki why we learn Python, why we don't we should not why we should not follow to any other language, why should we go to the Python programming only? So I have a simple answer for you. There are core features of Python which made it so popular. First of all, the first one is easy to learn. Okay, this is a programming language which has a very user friendly and very easy syntax to learn. That is why it is very popular. Second is free and open source. It is a free of cost licenses available to you, and you can use that. Okay, means no need to buy any paid license for that. This is one, and can run on any platform. Third feature is it can run on any platform. You can run on the Android, you can run on the Mac, or you can run the same on Windows or any other operating system. So this is one more feature which makes the Python more popular. And the next one is it has a huge sets of libraries. Means Python nowadays you can use the Python in many way. Means you can use the Python in scientific and research. You can use the Python in artificial intelligence. You can use the Python to develop a game, to develop a software. So that is why each time each concern has a different sets of libraries. Mathematicals we have different sets of libraries. Scientific and research different sets of libraries. So that is why everyone use the libraries as per their requirements. So they have a huge sets of libraries. That's all. The popular is sorry that's how it makes the Python more popular. Okay, then we have a dynamically types. Dynamically types means in other language Python has a dynamically types means you no need to specifically mention the kind of variable, whether it's an integer, whether it's a string, or whether it's a floor. Interpreter automatically understand when you execute the program, whatever the value you assign according to that, it will take action. So I hope you enjoy this video, and probably in the upcoming session we will make more advanced videos in that, and we will start the Python programming language. If you have any doubt, you can comment on that. Okay, you can ask me. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Have a nice day.